What's going on, YouTube? Welcome back. Now, today I got something for you that I may have taught you about a couple of videos ago, but I'm going to bring it back. I'm going to resurface this information because it's so important that I don't want anybody to miss this information, okay? Now, imagine this, right? Imagine being able to pay your rent, your car note, your cell phone bill, your grocery bill, the kids' bills in less than 3 minutes, right? Now, you're probably thinking, Rhonda, yeah, right. There's no way that I can pay a bill in less than 3 minutes. But today, I'm gonna show you exactly how to pay any bill in less than 3 minutes. This skill set is very simple. It doesn't take a lot of knowledge. It doesn't take a lot of experience. What it does take is the willingness to wanna learn, okay? This is very simple. I teach this to middle school students, okay? The youngest person I've taught this to was 9 years old. So if a 9-year-old can do this, I know that you can. Now I want you to really just take out a pen, paper, be able to take notes, be able to pause the video. I'm gonna keep it short, I'm gonna keep it simple, but I'm going to show you how to pay any bill in less than 3 minutes. Let's get into it. All right, guys, so we are here. Now on your screen, I'm gonna give you access to the software that's gonna help you pay those bills. Now, you may have heard about trading before. You may have seen it on social media. Your friends, your family may have told you about it. But today I'm gonna break all the myths and show you how simple this really is. Now, imagine being able to pay any bill in less than 3 minutes, right? Cell phone, car note, kids, groceries, whatever the case may be. I'm gonna show you that and I'm gonna make it easy, okay? Now, what we're gonna be using is currencies. Every country has a currency. The US has the US dollar, Mexico has the Mexican peso, Canadian dollar, Japanese yen, right? This is just currencies. Whether you've been to the country or not been to the country or you know anything about it, it doesn't matter, okay? All we have to do is be on the right side of the prediction. Do we think it's going up or do we think it's going down? And I'm gonna show you exactly how to know when to get in, when to get out, and how to make this money. Now, right on your screen, you're gonna see payouts. There's a 92%, there's 89, there's an 80, 70, all those things. I don't take any trades that are less than 70%, only because it's too much a risk and I don't have time for risk. I like to be more accurate and get the money in and out, okay? So what we're gonna be doing is looking at this 81%, okay? We're gonna take an 81% trade. It's going to be the Great British Pound to the Japanese yen, okay? Now, all we have to do is trade this time for money, right? If you go to work, right, 8 hours a day, let's just say you get paid $10 an hour. 8 hours times $10 is $80 for the day. Now, but you have to go to the job. You have to deal with the workers. You have to deal with the nonsense, the drama, the headache, all that extra stuff. Now here, I want to be able to show you how to make money while you're with your kids, while you're on vacation, while you're doing whatever it is that you do, and you can still make money, okay? We're gonna trade time for money, but we're gonna do it in a different way, okay? So let's say we're gonna take these 1 minute trades, right? We're gonna take 1 minute trades. Now you can always change it to 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 minutes, but who wants to do that, right? We're gonna do 1 minute trades. You can go down to the seconds, but that's just too fast. That's a little more advanced. Let's take 1 minute trades. Now let's just say we wanted to wager $20, right? $20, you can wager $2, you can wager $5. Today we're gonna be wagering $20, okay? Now with that $20 wager, meaning if I lose my trade, I will lose $20. But if I win my trade, I will make $15.40. Now imagine making $15 in 1 minute, okay? And I'm using small numbers because I don't wanna blow your mind and be like, oh my God, think about it realistically. If you make $10, $12 an hour, imagine making $15 in 1 minute, right? Now, if I think this trade is going to go down, I'm going to use the red button. That means I'm going to sell it. If I think this trade is going to go up, I'm going to use the green button. That means it's going up. Red means down, green means up, okay? All I have to do is be on the right side of the prediction. And of course, right now, you don't know why it's buying or why it's selling, but I'm going to teach you that as well. But I want to first show you the very, very simple way. I teach this to middle school students, okay? My youngest student was 9 years old, and he was able to learn this in less than a week. Okay, so just think about that. I don't want you to think too hard or too far into it. Let's keep it very surface level, okay? I'm gonna open this trade up. I want you guys to see all these greens would have been this button. All these reds would have been this button. If it goes up, we're going green. If it goes down, we're going red. Rhonda, how do I know when to buy or when to sell? You're gonna learn that. I'm going to leave a link in the description that's going to give you all the reasons why to buy and sell. But today, this video is just to show you how simple this really is, okay? Now, we're gonna trade for 1 minute. We're gonna risk $20. We're gonna make $15. We're trading the Great British Pound to the Japanese yen. Now, again, I'm not doing any analyzation. I'm pressing a button, green or red, right? If I press that red button, I think the trade is going to the downside, right? So my entry was right here where this red dot was. So anything below my red dot, that means I'm in profit. That means this is going to stay green. Anything above my red dot, that means I am out of profit and this will not be green. Now, right here is your time. I have 40 seconds, okay? I have 40 seconds before I take my profit. Now, you probably want to know, can I withdraw this money? Is it real? Is it a scam? Will I be able to put it in my bank account? Yes, you can withdraw money to your bank account. Typically, it takes about 15 to 30 minutes. On the weekends, it takes about an hour, okay? You can withdraw it out to your account. It's real money. It's US dollars. You can spend it, use it however you want. There's no scam. There's nothing that you have to worry about it. It's completely legal. This is trading, okay? 2022, we are now trading, all right? So we have 4 seconds, 3 seconds, 2 seconds, 1, boom, right at the bottom. You're gonna see right here, congratulations, you earned $35. Now, that $35 comes from the 20 that we wagered plus the 15 that we made in profit. So we just made $15.80 in 1 minute, and I never got up from my desk. I didn't do anything hard. I didn't do anything that was strenuous. I didn't even know up or down. I pressed a button. Now, I don't want you to try to do this and just go press buttons. Now, with the link in the description, you can go ahead and get access to the platform, and you can open up what's called a demo account. Right? As you can see right here, this is a demo account. So you can go practice. You don't have to put your real money up. You don't have to take on any risk. But when you are ready to take on the risk, you can put money into the account, and then it's going to give you a $50 bonus. So let's say you want to put 50, they're going to add an additional 50 for just clicking the link in my description. For me helping you out, they're going to give you $50 on top of whatever you put into your account. So now if you put 50, you got 50, now you have $100 in your account. If you put 25, they add 50, now you have 75. But before you put any real money, I want you to just get a demo account first. Get a demo account, get comfortable. Go through the other video that's in the description, watch that so you can understand a little bit more. But imagine, okay, imagine you being able to press this button, right? I just pressed the button randomly, and in 1 minute, I can make $15.80. Imagine that's your job, right? You have a 30-minute lunch break. What if you took 5 trades? What if you took 2 trades before you went to sleep? What if you took 1 trade while you were out to dinner with your husband and your wife and you made your dinner money back? Before you got up from the table, you could pay your tab, right? Imagine how easy that would make your life, or how much stress that would take away from you having to worry about, how am I going to pay the bill? Where am I going to get this money from? It's the first of the month. How, where, right? Money is the reason for a lot of people's stress. And today I just wanted to be able to show you a skill set that you could learn to be able to add an additional source of income. Now, of course, people do this for a living. I'm not telling you to quit your job. I'm not telling you to become a full-time trader. What I am telling you is learn a skill set that can not only help you, but can help your family, okay? Now we have 3 seconds, 2 seconds, 1, boom. We just closed another trade, okay? Another trade, that's $15.80. That's $30 and some change in 2 minutes. $30 in two minutes, okay? This video is less than 10 minutes, and you learned something that you probably didn't know 10 minutes ago. So what I want you guys to do is click the link in the description, get access to the pocket options, set up your account. Whenever you're ready to put money in there, you're going to get an extra $50. Now, I'm also going to leave another link right under that one. That's going to be the full step-by-step video to show you how to take a trade, when to take a trade, why to take a trade. Everything that I know, I put it in that video, and I'm going to give it all to you. I'm going to give it to you. All you have to do is give me a thumbs up, right? If you learned something in this video, give me a thumbs up. Let me know that you got something from this. If you have a question, put it in the comments. I will answer you. I want to be able to just start pouring into you guys, teaching you guys what I know, and adding value back into our community. I'll see you guys on the inside.